Let's take one step behind the body. Either side is fine. We're going to extend our arms. So from the side, you will look like this. So not so much reaching out, just let shoulders and elbows be heavy, palms turned up. And feel your thighs drawing towards each other. We're going to take a breath and draw one loose fist to shoulder, the other one to the lower back. Turn your chin to meet that front fist. And then we exhale and we unravel and open. Lower body stays heavy. So in and out. Should feel a little bit like your whole body is a coil. Spiraling, coiling motion. Inhaling, drawing in. And then letting go, opening out. And keep attention low. We need that solid base for this one. Thighs drawing towards each other. Feel the bubbling spring. Kidney number 1 point underneath the ball of your foot. And when you're ready, step the legs together, float the back leg forward, and we just switch to the other side, stepping back. Float the arms up, shoulders stay heavy, palms heavy. When your breath comes, draw the hands in and out. This one's usually called pulling cow's tails. You might like to imagine or visualize that, maybe, maybe not. Moving with the breath. And when you're ready, stepping the back leg forward, and we'll shake out.